Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best US-made solar panels currently available on the market. Whether you're looking for a budget-friendly option, a premium choice, or something in between, we've got you covered. You can check out the product links in the description below. So, let's get started with the countdown. At number 5, we have the SOLPERK solar panel designed specifically for Google Nest cameras. If you're someone who relies on a Nest camera for monitoring your home, this solar panel is a perfect companion. It features a 5-watt monocrystalline solar panel that ensures your camera stays powered throughout the day without interruptions. The panel comes with a 13-foot cable, giving you the flexibility to position it for optimal sunlight exposure. The 360-degree adjustable bracket allows you to angle the panel just right, making sure it captures as much sun as possible. When it comes to design, the SOLPERK panel is built to last. With a corrosion-resistant aluminum alloy frame, it can withstand both extreme heat and cold, ranging from 0 degrees Celsius to 50 degrees Celsius. However, this product is quite niche. It's not a general-purpose solar panel, but specifically tailored for Google Nest camera users. This makes it ideal for those who want a seamless, solar-powered solution for their security setup. The ease of installation is also a big plus. Simply mount the panel in a sunny location, connect it to your camera, and you're good to go. The biggest drawback of this panel is its limited application. It's only compatible with the Google Nest camera outdoor-indoor battery version. If you don't own this camera, this product isn't for you. But for Nest camera users, this solar panel is an affordable and reliable way to keep your cameras running without frequent battery changes. Overall, it's a solid option for a very specific audience. Coming in at number 4, we have the SOLPERK Solar Panel Kit. If you're looking for a versatile and compact solar panel to keep your 12V batteries charged, this one is a great option. With a 20-watt monocrystalline panel, boasting an impressive efficiency range of 21% to 30%, it's designed to trickle charge and maintain 12V batteries used in cars, RVs, boats, and more. The kit also includes an upgraded 8-amp smart charge controller that optimizes charging efficiency and protects your battery from overcharging, short circuits, and other common issues. The design of the SOLPERK panel is highly durable, featuring a low-iron tempered glass surface and a corrosion-resistant aluminum frame. This makes it 100% waterproof and capable of withstanding harsh conditions like blizzards and sandstorms. The adjustable mounting bracket is another highlight, allowing you to set the panel at the perfect angle to maximize sunlight exposure. It's also incredibly lightweight and easy to install, making it a user-friendly choice for beginners and seasoned DIYers alike. While it's not the most powerful panel on this list, the SOLPERK kit offers excellent value for its price point. It's perfect for users who need a reliable, low-maintenance solution to keep their batteries charged while off the grid. The downside is its limited power output. At 20 watts, it's not suitable for high-demand applications. However, for trickle charging and light use, this panel is hard to beat. At number 3, we have the SOLPERK 100-watt portable solar panel, designed for outdoor enthusiasts and emergency preparedness. This panel boasts an impressive 23.5% conversion efficiency thanks to its premium monocrystalline cells and ETFE coating. It's compatible with most power stations and USB devices, offering versatile output options like USB-A, Type-C, and a 10-foot 4-in-1 solar cable for connecting to various devices. The design of this panel is particularly well-suited for portability. Weighing just 9.48 pounds and featuring a foldable design with a magnetic handle, it's easy to carry around and set up. The panel also includes 2 adjustable kickstands, making it simple to angle for optimal sunlight absorption. The ETFE coating provides durability, ensuring the panel is waterproof and dustproof, though the control box isn't fully waterproof. So some care is still needed during rainy conditions. This panel is a fantastic choice for camping trips, RV adventures, or even as a backup during power outages. However, it's worth noting that this panel doesn't store power. It requires a connected power station or battery for energy storage. Overall, the SOLPERK 100-watt portable solar panel strikes a great balance between performance, portability, and versatility, making it a solid mid-range option. In second place, we have the Renogy 100-watt flexible solar panel. This panel is a game changer for those who need a lightweight and flexible solar solution. It can bend up to 240 degrees, making it ideal for curved surfaces like RV roofs, boats, and vans. Despite its flexibility, it's still highly efficient, utilizing half-cut PERC cell technology to maximize solar light capture and electrical performance. This panel can generate an average of 500 watt-hours per day, depending on sun availability. The build quality is impressive, with an IP67 rated waterproof junction box and solar connectors that can withstand harsh weather conditions. At just 5.3 pounds and only 0.1 inches thick, it's incredibly easy to transport and install. Pre-drilled holes make installation a breeze, whether you're mounting it permanently or using it for temporary setups. While this panel offers excellent performance and versatility, it's best suited for users who need a flexible and portable solution rather than a heavy-duty system. Its lower power output compared to larger panels might not meet the demands of high-energy users. However, for its niche, the Renogy 100-watt flexible solar panel is a top pick. Finally, at number 1, we have the Renogy 200W portable solar panel. This panel is the perfect blend of power, portability, and durability. With a 23.5% conversion efficiency, it outshines many competitors in its class. It's designed for outdoor activities like camping, fishing, and RVing, but it's also versatile enough for off-grid power backup. The panel features multiple output ports, including solar connectors, USB-A, and Type-C, making it easy to charge a variety of devices simultaneously. What sets this panel apart is its robust build and thoughtful design. It's lightweight at 16.96 pounds and folds down to just 25 by 21.1 by 2.2 inches, making it easy to carry and store. The IP65 waterproof rating ensures it can handle splashes and dust, though it's not meant for prolonged exposure to heavy rain. The magnetic folding design and pre-installed mounting holes add to its convenience, allowing you to set it up quickly wherever you need power. Priced at $194.39, this panel offers exceptional value for its performance and versatility. It's ideal for anyone who needs a high-power solution that's still easy to transport. The Renogy 200W portable solar panel is our top pick for its outstanding combination of efficiency, durability, and user-friendly features. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.